Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rig a model in Blockbench. Rigging allows your model to move correctly during animations. First, make sure your model is grouped properly with the correct parts. In Blockbench, folders act as bones when you're rigging for animation. For this example, let's rig the left arm. Select the folder of the part you want to rig, then choose the pivot tool. Move the pivot to the correct spot where the joint should rotate and move. Once the pivot is in the correct position, test the rig by rotating the bone and checking for proper movement. Make sure to name your bone structure clearly so you don't get confused later when animating. And that's how to rig a model in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.